Hi, my name's John. This is my series of videos exploring the VEX Tournament Manager software for use in the VEX Robotics Competition. And in this video we're going to be discussing running elimination matches. So running elimination matches is mostly like running qualification matches, but there are a few important differences that we should go over. So the first of those is that matches don't show up in the list of matches here until it's possible to have them. So you can see right now we haven't run any of the elimination matches yet, and the only ones we can see are quarterfinals 1-1, 2-1, 3-1, and 4-1, because it's not possible to have any of those other matches yet. For example, we can't have quarterfinal match 1-2 until we've run and scored match 1-1. Match 1-3 will not appear in the list unless it's necessary to have it, and so on. Of course, the semifinal matches won't appear in the list unless both the quarterfinals that feed into them have been settled, and the finals won't appear in the list unless both the semifinals have been settled. So that's difference number one. Difference number two is when we're doing a tournament with 3-team alliances, as we are here, we have to specify which team sits out from each alliance. So there's a couple of reasons you want to do this. One is you want to make sure that teams aren't bending the rules as far as making sure all 3 alliances participate in all 3 teams on each alliance participate in every round. The other is that when the results are published online, when you view them on robotevents.com or in the VEX Via app, it will show which 2 teams are in the match. So it's important to make sure you have the correct team grayed out here, and so you just select the team that isn't participating in each match. And the final difference is that you have to select which field each match is on, and that's done when you queue it. So if we queue quarterfinal 1-1, you can see the start match button is grayed out, and that's because we haven't selected which field it's on, and we can just do that in this checkbox. We'll say it's on field 1, and then we can start the match. And other than that, running elimination matches is pretty much the same as running any other match. One final thing to touch on, we'll abort this match. One final thing to touch on is the use of timeouts. In the elimination match, or in the elimination round, each alliance gets 1 timeout to use during the entire round. And you can set a timer for that timeout on the audience display. To do that, we'll click Set Timer, and then we can set the length. Usually this is 3 minutes. And then we have to select a field that it's on, and we'll hit Start Match, and it'll run a timeout. So that's it for running elimination matches. Those are all the major differences in running elimination matches versus qualifying matches. And so that's it for this video, and in the next part we're going to be discussing skills challenge matches.